Exercise 12.1, question number 4. Find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Here perimeter is given, two of the sides are also given. Then we have to find the third side. Okay, then only we can find its area by using Heron's formula, root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. In the question it is given that two sides that we can take as a and b. Then perimeter is given as 42 centimeter. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3a. But a perimeter of other triangle is a plus b plus c. Sum of the three sides. That is equal 42. Then we can substitute the value of a and b. Then we can find c. So 18 plus 10, 28 plus c equal 42. Then c equal what? 42 minus 28. That is equal 14 centimeter. So the third side we got as 14 centimeter. Then we have to find area of this triangle. That we have to find s first. Semi-perimeter, that is equal perimeter by 2, because in this question perimeter is given. Okay, so that is equal 42 by 2, that is equal 21. Then s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. S minus a is 21 minus 18. S minus b is 21 minus 10. Then s minus c is 21 minus 14. 21 minus 18 is 3. 21 minus 10 is 11. 21 minus 14 is 7. Okay, then we can write the equation for finding the area. That is area of triangle equal root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. That is equal root of 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. Then we can prime factorize 21. Then we will get 3 into 7. Then 3 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 7 is also a prime number. Then we can take the number from the pair. So 3 and 3, 2 3s are there. So from that pair we can take 1 3 outside. 2 7s are there. So from there also we can take 1 7. Then 11 has no pair. So we should write that itself. That in the square root symbol itself. So 21 root 11 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Exercise 12.1, question number 5. Sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. Okay, here the ratio of the three sides are given. So we have to find its actual values. Given the sides of a triangle in the ratio 12:17:25. So we can take the sides as a equal 12x. B equal 17x and C equal 25x. Perimeter is given as 540 centimeter. Perimeter means what? Sum of these three sides. So A plus B plus C equal 540. So 12x plus 17x plus 25x equal 540. When we add these all, then what we will get? 54. So 54x equal 540. Then x equal 540 by 54. That is 10. Then we can find A, B and C. So A equal what? 12x. That is 12 into 10. 120 centimeter. B is equal what? 17x. So 17 into 10 equal 170 centimeter. Then C equal 25x. That is 25 into 10 equal 250 centimeter. Okay. Then we can find semi-perimeter. Here perimeter is already given. So we can use this equation S equal P by 2. That is equal 540 by 2 equal 270. Then S minus A, S minus B and S minus C we have to find. That is 270 minus 120. 270 minus 170, 270 minus 250. Then 270 minus 120 is 150. 270 minus 170 is 100. 270 minus 250 is 20. So this we got. Then we can write the equation and substitute the values. If triangle is equal, root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Then we substitute the values. Then we have to prime factorize each number. So this is the prime factorization. 270, 150, 100, 20. Any order you will get, you can write, but this itself. 3 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5 or 2 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. Any order you can write, but these are the factors. Same way these all. So that we wrote here, then we can make pairs. Then from each pair we can take the one number outside. So these 2 3s, 1 3, these 2 2s, 1 2, these 2 5s, 1 5, these 2 5s, 1 5, these 2 2s, 1 2, then these 2 5s, 1 5, these 2 2s, 1 2. So no number inside the square root symbol. So 3 3s are 9, 2 into 5, 10, 2 into 5, 10, 2 into 5, 10. So what will be the answer? 9,000 centimeter square. 9,000 centimeter square is the area. Exercise 12.1, last question. Question number 6. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Okay, so here the equal sides are given as 12 centimeter. So we can take A equal 12 centimeter, B equal 12 centimeter. Then perimeter is given as 30 centimeter and we have to find the third side. Then only we can find its area by using Heron's formula. These are the two sides. Then P is given as 30 centimeter. So C, P equal what? Sum of the three sides, that is 30. 12 plus C equal 30. Then 24 plus C equal 30. So C equal 30 minus 24. That is C equal what? 6 centimeter. Then S we have to find. S means perimeter by 2. A plus B plus C by 2 or perimeter by 2. Here perimeter is given directly, so we can use P by 2. That is equal 30 by 2 equal 15. Then we have to find S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. That is equal 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, 15 minus 6. 15 minus 12, 3. This is also 3. 15 minus 6 is what? 9. Right? 15 minus 6 is 9. Then we can write the equation for finding the area of triangle, that is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Right? That is equal 15 into 3 into 3 into 9. Then we can prime factorize 15. 3, 5. So 15 means 3 into 5. 3 is a prime number. This 3 is also a prime number. Then 9 we have to prime factorize. Then we will get 3 into 3. Put the square root symbol. Then make the pairs and take the number outside. Okay. Then these 5 and 3 has no pair. So that we should write inside the square root symbol. That is 9 root 15 centimeter square. 9 root 15 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Next exercise 12.2. In this exercise 12.2, there are only two questions are there for this year. That is question number 6 and question number 8. The remaining questions are the application of Heron's formula in areas of quadrilaterals. So here we have to discuss exercise 12.2, question number 6, then question number 8. First exercise 12.2, question number 6. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors, each piece measuring 20 cm, 50 cm and 50 cm. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? From the figure itself, we know that all the 10 pieces are equal in measures. So here we have to find area of one triangular piece. Then we have to multiply that by 5. because 5 colors, 5 pieces are in one color. Another 5 pieces are in another color. That means area of required cloth for each color equal 5 into area of a triangular piece. It is given that the measures of a triangular piece. So let A equal 20, B equal 50 and C is equal 50 centimeter. Then we have to find S, semi-perimeter. Here the perimeter is not given directly, so we can use this equation S equal A plus B plus C by 2. That is equal 20 plus 50 by 2 equal 120 by 2 equal 60. So semi-perimeter we got as 60. Okay, 60 centimeter. Then we have to find S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S minus A means what? 60 minus 20. Then S minus B, 60 minus 50. This is also 60 minus 50. So 40, 10, 10. The area of a triangular piece, that is equal as root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Then substitute the values. From here itself we know that 10 is the factor for all the terms. So we can write that as 6 into 10. 6 means 2 into 3. 4 into 10. 4 means 2 into 2. Then this 10, this 10. Then we can pair. These two 2's is a pair. So 1, 2 we can take outside. Then this 2 10s as a pair. Then we can take 1 10. Then these 2 10s as a pair. Then we can take 1 10. Then this 3 and this 2 are having no pair. So we can write that in the root symbol itself. That is 2 into 10 into 10 is 200. Root 3 into 2 is 6. So 200 root 6 centimeter square. 200 root 6 centimeter square is the area of one triangular piece. Like this, 5 pieces in one color, 5 pieces in another color. Number of triangular pieces for same color is 5. Therefore, area of required cloth for each color is equal 2 into 200 root 6 equal 400 root 6 centimeter square. Now exercise 12.2 question number 8. A floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. The sides of the triangle being 9 cm, 28 cm and 35 cm. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per centimeter square. Here the triangular pieces are of equal measure. So here we have to find the area of one triangular tile. Then we have to multiply that by 16. Since there are 16 triangular tiles are there. Okay, then we have to find the cost. For that we have to multiply the total area by 50 paise. Then we will get the answer in paise. Then we can convert that into rupees by dividing it by 100. Okay. The measures of the tile is given as 9 cm, 28 cm, 35 cm. So we can take that as A, B and C. Then we have to find semi-perimeter as, that is A plus B plus C by 2. That is equal 9 plus 28 plus 35 by 2 equal 72 by 2. That is equal 36. 36 centimeter is the semi-perimeter, right? Then we have to find S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. S minus A is 36 minus 9, then 36 minus 28, then 36 minus 35. Okay, 36 minus 9 is 27. Then 36 minus 28 is 8. 36 minus 35 is 1. Okay, then we can find area of one tile. That is equal root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is equal 36 into 27 into 8 into 1. That's square root. Then we have to prime factorize that 36. Then we will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Then 27 means 3 into 3 into 3. Then 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. Then 1 no need to write because when we multiply any number by 1, that number itself we will get. Then we can pair that. So from each pair we can take the number outside. 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. Okay. Then this 1 3 and 1 2 has no pair. So we can write that in the square root symbol itself. That is equal 2 into 3 6. 6 into 3. 2 into 3 6. 6 into 3 18. 18 into 2 36. So 36 root 6 centimeter square is the area of one tile. Such 16 tiles are there. Of such 16 tiles equals 16 into 36 root 6. 16 into 36 into value of root 6 you will get as 2.45. That you will study in detail in chapter 1 later. Okay. So here now you just understand value of root 2 is 2.41. Sorry, 1.41. Then value of root 3 is 1.73. Value of root 2 1.41. Value of root 3 1.73. So value of root 6 is root 2 into root 3. When you multiply these two values and correct it to two places, then you will get that as 2.45. Okay. That you will study in detail in lesson 1. Then when we multiply these all, then we will get 1411.2 centimeter square. So this is the area of the 16 tiles. Then cost per centimeter square for polishing is given as 50 paise. When we convert this into rupees, then we will get 0.5 rupees. Isn't it? When we divide it by 100, then we will get 0.50. Last 0 has no value, so we can write it as 0.5 rupees. Okay, then here we have to find total cost of polishing. That is equal 1411.2 into 0.5 rupees. Right? Then for easy calculation, we can convert 0.5 as 1 by 2. 1 by 2's decimal form is 0.5. That you already know. Okay. Then otherwise you can multiply that with 0.5, no problem. Then we can multiply this by 1 by 2. Then what we will get? 7 2s are 14. 2 by 2 1. 7 2s are 14. 0. Because 1 is less than 2. Then we can give that 1 to here. Then 11. 5 2s are 10. Point. Then this 1 we can give to here. Then 12 6. So 705.6 rupees. But rupees we can write or paise we can write in two places. So we can just add 1 0 here. So 705.60 rupees is the total cost of polishing the tiles. This is a very small chapter because area of quadrilateral is not there for this year. So in this chapter you have to study only one equation, that is Heron's formula for finding the area of triangle is equal root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. And from exercise 12.1 all the questions, but from exercise 2.2 there are only 2 questions. No need to do the example questions related with area of quadrilaterals. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.